So this is day 2, and parking has not been an issue at all. This is like 8 in the morning, 8:30 in the morning, and for 2 hours of parking it costs $10. 3 hours is 15, or if you want to park all day, it is $20. Well, another great thing about the beach here is you're not going to have to worry about parking. For people who like to collect shells, you'll find a bunch of really nice shells here at Ocean Isle Beach. They are all over the place, and you'll find them intact too, which isn't always the case at a lot of beaches. If you are looking for a beach to go to in the summer, you may really want to think about Ocean Isle Beach in North Carolina. It's just north of Myrtle Beach. This is a Thursday. It's about 3 o'clock, middle of June. Huge beach. There's people here, but you got plenty of space. It is just a beautiful, beautiful beach. And no problem parking either. Yeah, check out Ocean Isle Beach in North Carolina. You won't be disappointed.